Welcome to this example and how to go through this scavenger hunt. The first thing that I want to do is I want to open my noeau Center website, and in this case I'm opening it in a new window. Now that I have my noeau Center website open, I'm just going to try and fit it on the screen so that I can jump back and forth between my particular task to the website. Okay. So now that I've done that, we want to make sure that you've done your test recording before, that your mic is on, that you're recording your desktop, and that you have stated your first and last name, your date, and your instructor's name. And in addition, once you're finished with that, then we would click Next. Okay, so now I'm ready to start my activity. Okay, so this is my task. I am going to be talking through, or I need to be talking through each task. So for example, I'm going to be explaining, I'm clicking on the home page and I'm doing this or I'm doing that to help the noeau Center staff learn how I navigate this particular website. So I'm going to read the following scenario. You are enrolled in a business course that requires you to use a financial calculator, but you aren't sure how to use your financial calculator. Find the workshop on video 1, the basic step, to help you in identifying how to set up your calculator. Okay, so this question here, where is the first place you would look for this information on the website and why? So I need to explain, how I might go about figuring out where this financial calculator video might be. So the first thing I want to do is just, I see this menu here and I'm curious about this menu. So I do notice that we have home, we have about us, peer tutoring, distance learning, testing, workshops, faculty resources, and get in touch. And I'm just curious, I'm going to scroll down the page here and see if I can find any type of resources. It looks like study resources might be helpful for me. I'm assuming this could have information to help me figure out where to find the basic setup video, announcements, about noeau, connect, chat with us. Okay, so I guess what I would maybe do based on all the information I've seen on this page is maybe I would click on study resources. And why would I do that? Well, I think that this might help me find the financial calculator video that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this button here and see what happens. Okay, so it looks like I see this page has helpful handouts, and I'm scrolling down on the page and I'm trying to search for business calculators. So I don't see any information here. This is on essay development, grammar and spelling, literature review, research methods. Okay, I don't find anything on financial calculators. So let's see. Okay, I have some major specific resources. I do know that my prompt is that I'm taking a business course, and as I scroll down here, I do see business. So I'm going to go ahead and click on business because I'm thinking maybe this will take me to the video that I'm trying to find. So I'm going to click business and see what happens. Okay, so now I'm on this business resource page. Wow, I have all of this information here. I'm trying to find, this prompt here just says business course, so I'm not entirely sure where to find the calculator. I'm assuming that you might need a financial calculator for finance maybe, so I'm going to click on this page because it has the word finance and I'm looking for a financial calculator, so maybe I'll find the video here. Okay, so, all right, so this is the finance resources. I see something here, financial calculator workshop series. Need help with your financial calculator? Yes, that's totally me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on view workshops because this seems to be the place where I can find that financial calculator. So I'm clicking here and financial calculators. Okay, so it looks like, oh, I think I've found it. Video 1, the basic setup. Yeah, okay, so I think this is the video that I'm looking for. Okay, so how difficult was it to find this basic setup video? I wouldn't totally say that it was very easy, but I don't think it was super hard. I would maybe give it a 2, because I did have to kind of click on a bunch of different places to try and find this. Is the information on this page helpful for you as a student? Well, yeah, if I was taking a business course, I personally don't know anything about financial calculators, so this would be really helpful for me. So I'm going to say yes, 3, very helpful. All right, so I'm going to go on the next question here. Okay, so in essence, this is exactly what we want you to do, right? I went through this website and I explained in detail why I did the things that I did. So why I chose to click on certain buttons, why I chose to scroll down certain pages, and this information is really helpful for the Noeau Center staff to figure out how you use this website and how easy this website is for you to navigate and find things. I hope that this demonstration helped you in going forth and completing your own video demonstrations as you work through this scavenger hunt activity. Mahalo!